So we have had a lot of opportunities, especially over COVID in Louisiana, to make some intentional changes. One of the many things that we've done is partner with, I'm not sure if you've all heard of them, Urban Footprint, which really helps to use data to identify where are the food insecure parishes or areas within our state, and where can we do intentional and targeted outreach so that we can actually address food insecurity. We have a lot of rural areas in the state of Louisiana, and so a lot of times people don't even know what food stamps or SNAP is. And so we partner with a lot of community-based organizations now who is doing intentional and targeted outreach, using that data to show them what are the zip codes that they actually need to reach out to for the individuals who have no food to eat. We've also been working on truly kind of building out this philosophy of a no wrong door. I'm sure you've all have heard of it over many, many years. Our secretary and our team have really been focusing on what does it really mean to be no wrong door. Most people come to our state agency because they want food stamps or they want cash benefits or they just need help. Oftentimes what we're able to give them is approval for food stamps or approval for cash assistance, but we can't address the child care. We can't address the housing crisis or the challenges that they have, even connecting to schools. And so we've worked with United Way and 211 to actually roll out the Unite Us platform, where all of our staff will actually have access to address those other needs. So instead of saying you can pick up the phone and call this place, they can actually send a referral directly to that zip code in which that individual lives in, so that they actually can get the resources and support they need. We're excited, we're going to be starting that here in the fall. We've also done some intentional changes about making sure we're addressing individuals who are actually in poverty. So in January of 2020, we doubled our TANF income limit, our TANF grant amount, which was bottom. We were ranked 50 in all of the states. In doubling that in January, we've actually moved to 28. Yes. So we have come to the national average, which is 485 for a household of 3. We've also implemented broad-based categorical eligibility in the world of SNAP, which really allows individuals to be at 200% of the federal poverty level in order for them to be able to, be eligible for SNAP benefits. It'll help take into things to account like housing and childcare and things of that nature. We've also worked with our IT department, I guess you can say, and actually rolling out a virtual process for issuing out disaster SNAP benefits. I know you all know over the last 2 years, since I've been in Louisiana, we've actually had 5 storms that have impacted our state, 5 hurricanes. And in each one of those events, we implemented a virtual DSNAP model because we couldn't be on person because of COVID. We were able to serve almost 600,000 people on DSNAP benefits through a call center platform. So having everybody call in for us to provide resources and support to them. It was a challenge, right? Of course, during the pandemic to kind of stand up that platform, but what was beautiful out of that is we were actually able to get the help of other states to call in and take some calls to help the citizens of Louisiana who've been severely impacted. I have an amazing team of staff who, in almost every disaster that we've had, they've all been directly impacted. And they've been able to go stay at a hotel and still wanted to provide resources and support to other citizens in our state. So it was great to get help from Oklahoma, from Texas, to help us stand up that virtual process and issuing out disaster benefits. And I truly think that the virtual DSNAP will help us moving forward so that other states can support those states that are actually impacted by those events.